Hi, I'm passionate about computers and their builds. To date, I have spent a significant amount of time creating unique projects with desktop and laptop components. Along the way, I have accumulated some spare and outdated parts that are now sitting in my drawer. I have multiple powerful computers that serves as my daily driver, but I decided to repurpose the outdated hardware to build something new. I'm disinterested with the aftermarket computer cases, and for my day-to-day component testing, I needed an open frame setup. This is what I built from my old hardware, an Intel i5-3470 processor, which is mounted on a Chinese H61 motherboard, and it's equipped with two sticks of DDR3 RAM. One is of 8GB and the other one is of 2GB, summing up to 10GB of memory in the machine. It features a basic GT730 graphics card with 4GB of DDR3 VRAM, a 500GB traditional hard drive, and I'm considering adding an NVMe module since the motherboard has a dedicated slot for it. A basic power supply powers the machine. I included all the necessary attachments for this DIY PC. I mounted a front panel USB connector, a beeper for error detection, a custom power switch, and dedicated power and hard disk LEDs. The mount supports both ITX and mini ITX motherboards. Currently, the machine runs on Linux Mint. While it doesn't meet my daily work needs, I'm pleased with reviving the old hardware. It may come in handy for testing spare components in future, and I even managed to create this video on this DIY PC using the same machine itself.